What if you could buy a house in Jolly Harbour with great bones today and already see exactly how it could look completely redesigned for tomorrow? This is Casa Del Arco, a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom detached home in the gated community of Jolly Harbour on Antigua's west coast. A charming Caribbean home with a spacious kitchen and living area, breakfast bar and loft office, all flowing out to your private pool deck. In this video, you're not just seeing the house as it is now, you're also seeing how it could be transformed. Using AI-powered design concepts, we've reimagined this home with fresh coastal finishes, updated furniture, softer colour palettes and modern lighting. Same structure, same generous layout, completely new mood. The primary suite opens straight onto the pool with a walk-in wardrobe and double sinks. The guest rooms and unique poolside third bedroom offer flexible space for family, friends or rental guests. Outside you have a large private pool, sun decks, covered dining and lounge areas, lush tropical trees and views across the golf course. Casa Del Arco already works as a comfortable Caribbean home. With the right upgrade, it becomes a standout villa and a serious investment opportunity. If you can see your life here, or you're already picturing your own version of this redesign, it's time to talk. Casa Del Arco is ready for its next chapter, and it could be yours.